Welcome to Brain Nest Media, where smart students get smarter.
Feeling overwhelmed before your day even starts. I get it. The to-do list seems endless, right? Well, I've got a super simple trick that changed everything for me. It's called the top 3 priorities method. Every morning, before you check your phone or dive into emails, just grab a sticky note. On it, write down the 3 most important things you need to accomplish that day. Just 3! Not 10, not 20, 3. Then, focus all your energy on knocking those 3 tasks out. Seriously. That's it. Once you finish them, you've already won the day. Anything else you get done is a bonus. This small habit creates massive momentum and gives you an instant feeling of productivity and control. Try it tomorrow morning and see how it transforms your day. Let me know how it goes in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Ever feel like you're drowning in homework and studying, but your grades just don't show it? What if I told you that small, simple tricks could completely change your school life? That's right. I'm talking about school hacks. These aren't about cheating. They're about working smarter, not harder. Think about it. Tiny adjustments to how you study can save you hours of time, slash your stress levels, and even boost your memory so you remember everything for the big tests. It's like finding cheat codes for school that are actually allowed. From organizing your notes to acing your exams, these hacks are game changers for improving your productivity and your grades. Ready to level up your student game? Stick around till the end, because I've got a bonus hack that students absolutely love. You won't want to miss it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Struggling to remember what you just learned in class? It feels like everything goes in one ear and out the other, right? Well, what if I told you there's a super simple trick that can boost your memory by up to 80%? It's called the 5-minute quick review rule, and it's a total game. Here's how it works. As soon as your class ends, before you pack up or check your phone, take just 5 minutes to quickly go over your notes. Seriously, that's it. Just 5 minutes. This simple act tells your brain, hey, this stuff is important. Don't forget it. By doing this, you're moving information from your short-term to your long-term memory. The best part? You won't need to cram for hours before an exam because you have been reinforcing the knowledge all along. So give it a try after your next class. Struggling to keep your school subjects straight? What if I told you a simple color trick could supercharge your brain? Try this out. Assign a specific color to each subject. For example, let's make science blue, like the ocean or the sky. Let's make math red for all those tricky problems that need your full attention. And for history, let's use yellow, like old parchment paper. When you use these colors consistently for your notes, folders, and highlighters, something amazing happens. Your brain starts to build a powerful connection. You will find that you can remember information faster because your mind automatically associates the color with the subject. Imagine just glancing at your desk and instantly knowing where your math notes are. It makes studying so much more organized and efficient. Give it a try and see how much faster you can learn. Struggling to remember what you've just studied? It feels like the information goes in one ear and out the other, right? Well, I've got a super effective study hack for you that's better than just rereading your notes over and over. It's called the teach back method. Here's how it works. After you finish a chapter or a concept, pretend you have to explain it to someone who knows nothing about it. You can talk to a wall, your pet, or even an imaginary student. The key is to explain it out loud in your own words. This simple act forces your brain to process the information on a much deeper level. You'll quickly find the parts you don't fully understand. It's a game changer for boosting both your understanding and your long-term memory. So next time you're studying, give it a try. Feeling that afternoon slump? Can't seem to focus on your work or study for more than 10 minutes? I've got a super simple trick that will change your life, and it only takes 20 seconds. It's called the 20-second reset. Here's what you do. When you feel your brain turning to mush, just stand up. That's it. Stand up and give yourself a good, full-body stretch for 20 seconds. Reach for the sky. Touch your toes. twist, side to side, whatever feels good. This quick movement sends a rush of oxygen to your brain, instantly rebooting your focus. It also gives your eyes a much-needed break from the screen, reducing strain and fatigue. After 20 seconds, sit back down. You'll feel refreshed, re-energized, and ready to tackle your tasks with a clear mind. Does homework feel like a never-ending chore? What if you could turn it into a game? Here's a super simple trick to boost your focus and get things done faster. It's called the Timer Challenge. Grab your phone or a kitchen timer and set it for just 25 minutes. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to get as much homework done as possible before that alarm goes off. No distractions, just pure focus. When you're racing against the clock, something amazing happens. Procrastination disappears. Suddenly, you're motivated to beat that timer. It breaks down huge assignments into small, manageable chunks. Once the timer rings, take a quick 5-minute break. Stretch, grab a snack, then dive back in for another round. You'll be surprised how much you can accomplish. Give it a try and let me know how it goes. Struggling to memorize boring definitions for your exams? Trust me, I've been there. Staring at a textbook, trying to cram words like photosynthesis or the Magna Carta into your brain? But what if I told you there's a super fun way to make it stick? It's called the Memory Palace Technique. Imagine your own house. Now, let's take a term, say, mitochondria. Picture your kitchen. Maybe the oven is the powerhouse of the cell, glowing and humming with energy. For photosynthesis, you could imagine your living room window with sunlight streaming in, and your plants literally cooking up a green, sugary snack. By attaching these abstract ideas to familiar places, you're creating vivid, unforgettable mental images. This works wonders for science, history, anything with a lot of jargon. You're not just memorizing. You're building a world inside your head. Give it a try for your next study session and watch your recall skyrocket. Struggling to stay consistent with your studies? I've got a super simple but powerful trick for you. It's called the Don't Break the Chain method. Grab a calendar. Any calendar will do. For every day you complete your study session, put a big red X on that date. The next day, do it again. And again. Soon, you'll see a chain of X's forming. This visual chain is incredibly motivating. Your only goal is to not break it. Each X you add makes the chain longer and stronger, building a powerful habit of consistency. It turns studying from a chore into a game you don't want to lose. So, what are you waiting for? Start your chain today and see how long you can keep it going. Give this video a thumbs up if you're going to try it, and subscribe for more study hacks. Struggling to remember what you learned in class just yesterday? I've got a game-changing study hack for you that's backed by science. It's super simple. Rewrite your notes within 24 hours. Here's why it works. When you first learn something, it's stored in your short-term memory. But if you don't revisit it, it fades away fast. By rewriting your key points the next day, you're telling your brain, hey, this is important. Keep it. This process helps transfer that information from your fragile short-term memory into your solid, long-term memory. Think about it. No more all-night cram sessions before a big test. When exam season rolls around, your revision will be 10 times easier because you've already done the heavy lifting. You'll just be refreshing what you already know, not relearning it from scratch. Give it a try after your next class and see the difference it makes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more study tips. Struggling to keep your class notes organized? I used to have the same problem until I discovered the 2-notebook system, and it completely changed my study game. Here's how it works. Notebook number 1 is your messy notebook. This is where you scribble everything down during class, lecture points, diagrams, random thoughts, anything goes. Don't worry about it being neat. Just focus on capturing all the information. Then, you have notebook number 2. This is your clean notebook. Later that day or week, you'll rewrite your messy notes into this one. Condense the key points, organize the topics logically, and make it super easy to read. When exam season comes around, you won't have to decipher messy script. You'll have a perfect, organized set of summary notes ready to go. It makes reviewing so much more efficient and less stressful. Give it a try and let me know how it works. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more study hacks. Thanks for watching. Struggling to remember what you've studied? You spend hours cramming, but the information just doesn't stick. Well, what if I told you there's a scientifically proven method to lock information into your long-term memory? It's called spaced repetition, and it's a total game. The secret is to review information right before you're about to forget it. Sounds complicated, right? But it's actually super easy with apps like Anki or Quizlet. These apps act like your personal tutor, scheduling flashcards to show up at the perfect time for maximum recall. You're not just cramming, you're training your brain to remember more efficiently. So, instead of rereading your notes over and over, give spaced repetition a try. It's a smarter way to study, not a harder one. You'll be amazed at how much faster you learn and how much more you remember. Download one of these apps and start acing your exam.
Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Brain Nest Media for more school hacks and study tips.